I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and behind me is a spectacular 360-degree views from 215 Ferry Boa Road in Gracemere. This sandstone homestead is award-winning, sits high on the hill, and really takes prime position. Come and have a look at what this home has to offer. My favorite part about this hilltop home must be the high vault ceilings and the light-filled room, bringing the kitchen, living and outdoor areas together. If 10 acres, high on the hill, with lots of water, a bore, fully fenced, and still close to the city is something that appeals to you, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents, for more information on this beautiful property.